Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Microsoft Edge your default browser on Windows 11. Many people use different browsers, but setting Edge as default can help improve performance and compatibility with Microsoft services. Let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon in your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list that appears. Once the Settings window opens, click on Apps from the sidebar on the left. Then, choose Default Apps from the options. Next, scroll down or use the search bar to find Microsoft Edge. Once you locate it, tap on Microsoft Edge to open its settings page. Then, click on Set Default to make Edge your primary browser for all supported file types and links. This ensures that any web links or HTML files will automatically open in Edge from now on. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful Windows tips.